Well, there's no one watching. I'll make a little intro anyway so you can watch it later. It's my birthday today and I've done 45 complete circuits around the sun, and I've come to the conclusion that I can't count birthdays any longer. So what I'm doing for my birthday is I'm cooking mum a curry, basically. So let's see if I can flip the camera and I'll show you. So we're doing a chicken curry tonight to celebrate my birthday. It's looking good. It's looking a bit dark at the moment because I haven't added the sauce yet. I've just made the fried the chicken and made the curry paste and added a few vegetables basically. I'm just cooking the vegetables down and then I shall add some chicken soup on there. Nice little curry coming on there for my birthday. So if you want a decent curry for your birthday, you've either got to go out and buy one at an Indian or you've got to make your own, haven't you, really? So who's online tonight then? Right, if it's cutting out, it's because I've got a low battery. If you want to stay there for 1 second, I'll go and get the charging cable. Alright, wait there, I'll be back in a second, alright? Tell you what you can do. Keep an eye on my curry for me. We're on charge now, so it should be alright. So how is everyone? Are they enjoying the spring weather? How's lockdown treating you? I have to say, it doesn't really affect me in a big way because I didn't go out kind of socialising to pubs and cinemas and things anyway, so even if they get the passport thing going on, it's not going to cause me a big problem if I don't go to the cinema. And yeah, so healthy people shouldn't be in prison, should they? Or held back for being healthy. That's ridiculous. Anyway, I didn't really want to make a political video. Just wanted to say thanks to everyone for my birthday wishes and show you the curry I was making. Let me just show you my curry one more time. I'm actually in the middle of making a YouTube video. And while the curry's cooking, I just thought I'd hop on, as they say hello and see if anyone's online. It's looking good. Looks quite dry because I haven't added the sauce yet. Over here I've got like a pint and a half of soup, chicken soup to add. So that's what I'm doing, making myself a curry for my birthday. Thanks for the message, Christine, nice to hear from you. How's it going, Lorne? Haven't spoken to you for a number of years. Hope all's well with you, mate. So not much happening, just cooking a curry. While I wait for it to cook, I'll come online quick. You can see I'm not very good at this live thing, can't you? Try and get the camera held straight. Right, that gets about 5 more minutes, and then put the chicken and mushroom soup on it. Cook some rice and we're all ready to go. Right, I'm going to sign off because I haven't got a lot to say and I'm not very good at making cooking videos, as my dad would tell you. So I'll catch you all on YouTube on the upside. Alright, thanks for watching. Stay safe everyone. Lots of love. Thanks for my birthday wishes. Appreciate it. But 45 plus a couple then.